Our health should be our focus in life, which means we should work hard to maintain it constantly, through regular workout and a healthy diet. Perhaps one of the most important ways to keep healthy is by keeping good health in your organs. Maintaining good organ health is a matter of life and death, so do what you can today to ensure a healthy and bright future. The liver is one of the most important organs since its functions influence the requirements of the entire body, therefore, its detox should be one of our regular routines. This amazing turmeric drink recipe will clean out your liver and it will work like it's brand new. Namely, the liver pays the toll given by all the toxins that enter the body. From time to time, it becomes overwhelmed and stressed out from all the foreign toxins that are flowing through your body. The main ingredient of this detoxifying tea is turmeric, which is a versatile ingredient and offers innumerable benefits. Benefits of turmeric tea. Turmeric tea will help your body in a number of ways. Each of its ingredients is quite common, and you can find them in any health food store. Due to its trusted ingredients, this formula will help you clean out your liver and restore the health of your entire body, as it improves circulation, cleanses and purifies the blood, helps the body absorb nutrients, helps the symptoms of colds and coughs, reduces bad cholesterol, boosts immunity, reduces inflammation, detoxifies the body, generates energy for your body, provides effective anti-inflammatory effects, stimulates secretion of bile, improves skin, and prevents internal blood clotting. Turmeric tea recipe. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 to 2.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, ½ cup of coconut milk, a pinch of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Boiling water. Method of preparation. Fill a mug halfway with boiling water and add turmeric and ginger to it, cover the mug and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, stir in your cinnamon, black pepper, vanilla, and honey and fill the rest of the mug with coconut milk, stir again. This tea is tasty, so, as you will enjoy its taste, you will enjoy its multiple benefits as well. This detox will have you feeling much better than you thought. This turmeric recipe has many valuable qualities, but the most important thing is that it is going to rejuvenate your liver.